Hey there, science enthusiasts. Imagine a world where we can design proteins as easily as we code software. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the future of computational protein design. I'm super excited to share how this cutting-edge field is revolutionizing science and medicine as we know it. We're talking about creating proteins that don't just exist in nature, but are custom-built to solve specific problems. From tackling diseases to creating new materials, the possibilities are endless. So how does it work? Think of it like 3D printing, but with proteins. Scientists use powerful algorithms and computer simulations to design proteins with specific properties. Then, these designs are brought to life in the lab. It's like bringing imagination into reality. One of the coolest applications is in medicine. Imagine designing proteins that can target and neutralize cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy, or enzymes that can break down plastic waste, helping us combat pollution. And it's not just pie-in-the-sky stuff. These innovations are happening right now. The trends in this field are mind-blowing. AI and machine learning are playing a massive role in speeding up the design process and making predictions more accurate. Tools like Rosetta and AlphaFold are revolutionizing the way we understand protein structures. They're like the Google Maps of protein design, guiding scientists to their destination with unprecedented precision. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. The field is evolving so rapidly that there's always something new to learn. And guess what? You can be a part of this revolution. If you're passionate about science and technology, now's the perfect time to dive in. Bioinformatics is offering an amazing summer training program that's designed to get you hands-on experience with the latest tools and techniques in computational protein design. You'll learn from experts in the field, work on real-world projects, and be at the forefront of scientific innovation. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to learn more and apply. Thanks for watching. If you found this video exciting, smash that like button, subscribe for more science content, and share it with your fellow science geeks. Let's ride the protein design wave together. Catch you in the next one.